Almost 3 years ago now, I had an accident in the car. I went off the road into a tree and went down an embankment. I bought this when I was 16 years old. I managed to pick this one up for 900 bucks back in 2003. The guy that I bought it off, he was just gonna send it to the scrap metal and crush it. It's really kind of set up the pathway for my life. I met my wife in it. I kind of focused my whole career and life around Toranas. If it wasn't for this car, I wouldn't be where I am today. So after the accident, I was standing there with one of the police officers. I was devastated to see my car. Police officer kind of reminded me at that point, he goes, mate, we come to so many accidents exactly like this, and luckily for you, you've managed to get up and walk out of the car. But then it did kind of hit me at the same time. I'm insured, maybe it is gonna be okay. I thought, okay, first step, I need to get this claim started. Started the process of what I needed to do to lodge the claim. I have to admit, there was probably a few communication breakdowns at the start of the process, which was pretty stressful. After speaking with the right people and having the situation explained to me, kind of escalated it up the chain a little bit, the repair process was able to get started. So initially the damage, we were going to repair the car, but then as we started to strip the car down, there was just more damage that we didn't know was there. They kind of reassessed the car and said, probably actually better if we just pay you out as a total loss. You have salvage rights on the car, so you get to keep the car, then rebuild it yourself. It kind of works well with my business. The render garage, I help people visualize and design their own cars. So I thought, well, let's do that with this car. Let's make it the best car it can be. That's when you're glad you do have insurance. And that's when I was glad, I was insured with Enthusiast. I'd had the car insured with the right figure. By the end of it, I was really happy with the whole claims process. And Dale's been hustled on the car, bringing it to life. So on the left-hand side where we hit the tree, that got a replacement new old stock rear quarter. But on the other side, it was kind of all crinkled and dinted up, and Dale's been panel beating it by hand, getting it absolutely spot on. So if you're unsure about insurance, I'd probably suggest jump on Enthusiast website, give them a call. They're really easy people to deal with. They're car people. I've found the whole journey, everything to do with Enthusiast has been really, they're the same guys you meet if you ever come to one of their events. They're the same people. More than happy to recommend people to go to Enthusiast Motor Insurance.